fraction is always a rational number, so it will be false. Next is, a rational number is said to be negative if numerator and denominator have opposite sign. अगर दोनों के ही opposite sign होंगे, then only it will be negative, so it will be true. Next is, the number 0 is neither positive nor a negative rational number. Yes, it is also true. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let us match the following. First is product of rational number and its reciprocal. कोई भी rational number, उसका और उसके reciprocal का product, it always comes out to be 1. So first is 1. So here we will write A. Next is additive inverse of minus 5 by 7. Additive inverse means you have to take the negative of this. So negative of minus 5 by 7, it will come out to be positive, that is 5 by 7. So here will be the option. Reciprocal of 7 by minus 5. Reciprocal means you have to interchange numerator and denominator. So it will come out to be minus 5 by 7. So here it comes C. And last is a rational number between 12 by 7 and 14 by 5. Now we are left with only one option. So it will be our answer, or you can check it out also. Clear? Next is find the value of 2 and 8 by 13 multiplied by 3 and 1 by 4 minus 2 and 1 by 4 into 1 and 1 by 9. So first of all we will change mixed fraction into improper one. 13 2s are 26, 26 plus 8, that is 34 by 13 multiplied by 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4 within bracket minus 4 2s are 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 4 into 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10 by 9. Now we will do the cancellations. 13 will cancel out with 13 and 4 and 34 can cancel on the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 17s are 34. Here 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, and 10 and 4 they can cancel out on the table of 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now we are left with 17 into 1, that is 17, 2 into 1 2 minus 5 into 1 5 and 2 into 1 2. So it will come out to be, let us take up the LCM. LCM will be 2 because they are like fractions. So numerator will be subtracted 17 minus 5. That will come out to be 12 by 2. And you can do the cancellations also. 2 6 are 12. So answer will come out to be 6. Next question is compare minus 3 by 8 and minus 6 by 16. So we have to compare it. Before comparing we have to make it like fractions. So like fractions बनाने के लिए we have to take the LCM. So LCM of 8 and 16 will come out to be 16. You can check it out. And we will make it 16 as we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 to make it 16. So it will come out to be minus 6 by 16. See, this number minus 6 by 16 and this number is again minus 6 by 16. So both the numbers are same. It means both are equal. So you will write here minus 3 by 8 is equal to minus 6 by 16. So that comes the answer. For the B part, minus 4 by 7 and minus 5 by 9. See, the denominators are not same. These are unlike fractions. Plus both the denominators are co-prime. So if the denominators are co-prime, what you have to take? You have to multiply both, then you will get its LCM. Now we will take the LCM as 9 7s are 63. So 63 is the LCM. So we have to make both the denominators as 63. So first of all we will multiply minus 4 by 7 with 9 by 9. तो इसी नंबर से multiply करेंगे. It will come out to be minus 36 by 63 and minus 5 by 9. It will be multiplied with 7 by 7. Minus 35 by 63. Now we have to compare both the numbers, which number is greater and which number is smaller. See, this number is smaller and this number is greater because it is negative. So we will write here minus 4 by 7 is less than minus 35 by 63, or we can write minus 5 by 9. Clear? Number is smaller but negative sign is there, so that is why this number will be bigger. Clear? Let us move to the next question. What should be added to 1 by 12 to get 9 by 10 plus 13 by 20? Or we will find out the summation of this number by taking LCM. LCM will be 20 and it comes out to be 31 by 20. Now we have to find out what should be added to this to get this number. So we have to subtract 1 by 12 from this number. So after taking LCM, LCM will come out to be 60. We have to just subtract it, and after subtraction we get 88 by 60, and by doing cancellations on the table of 2 we will get 44 by 30 or 22 by 15. I think it is clear to everyone. Next is simplify 13 divided by 39 by 40. So first of all we will change the division sign. It will convert it into multiply by taking its reciprocal. It comes out to be 40 by 39. Now do the cancellations. Multiply numerator with numerator, it comes out to be 40 by 3. B part, we will solve it the same way. Take the reciprocal, do the cancellations. 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. Now multiply the numerator and denominator, and it comes out to be 36 by 35. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.